Quick question. Did you know that every individual on your email list is worth approximately $1 per month in residual revenue to you? Imagine having 4,000 people on your email list. That would come out to $4,000 per month in income just by promoting affiliate offers to your list. Once your email list is built up, your income is predictable and honestly quite easy. The problem is building up your email list can take years organically or cost you as much as $10 per subscriber. So building your list up to 4,000 people could take you years or cost you as much as $40,000. Until now. Welcome to List Elevate, the only viral marketing system that allows others to build your list for you. Here's how it works. Anyone you refer to our system naturally builds your email list. But here is the massive leverage and viral component. Anyone you refer, well, anyone they refer will end up on your email list as well. So, let's say you refer a realistic 10 people, and those people also refer 10 people. Well, just like that, now you have 100 people on your email list. Now, if those 100 people refer 10, you now have 1,000 more people on your list. There is no limit to the amount of people you can refer to the system. During our beta testing phase, our users were building up lists of 10,000 subscribers in less than a month. Do you know what a 10,000 subscriber list would cost you if you did it yourself? You guessed it, $10 per lead times 10,000 subscribers is $100,000. Instead of spending $100,000, you now have a leveraged viral marketing system that will build you a massive worldwide money-making email list 24 hours a day, 7 days a week for a fraction of the cost and in less than 10% of the time. Get started with List Elevate today and let's elevate your income to levels you could have only dreamed of in record time by building you a massive email list that you own and can market to at the click of a button.